everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a fresh take on a classic open gate fold. So if you watch fold of the week, open gate folds fold in toward the center and then back out in the opposing direction. So this is a shaped open gate. This comes to us from my good friends at Play Creative of Lincoln, Nebraska, designed for Client Credit Union of America and printed by DocuPlex of Wichita, Kansas. Paper is a 100-pound coated cover. So they did about 1,000 of these, by the way. This was part of a mail campaign. And as you can see here, it's got a large penny on the cover. The back cover is branding information, just nice and simple. So when you open this piece, it opens like this. You pull both panels and it open gates this way. So I'll show you a little side view. You can see that the panels fold in and then back out in opposing directions. But one of the things I really like is this kind of chain link, these 3 circles that you get when it's opened up. I like the design. I love this split image. I love the solids here that kind of keep the eye, focusing on the message, which is about not wasting money in your 401k. So I really like the focal point that it creates, the strong use of imagery and the shape of a penny. It's like a huge penny. I really, really like that. These are die, score, hand fold, just simple and fun. And I've shown shaped accordions before, circular accordions, things like that. I've never seen basically a shaped open gate like this, so I thought you'd really like it. I hope you do. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Shaped open gate fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.